Dear Apple, please, with iOS 16 this year, please add the ability to schedule an iMessage. It's 2022. We have self-driving cars. I think you can make this happen. And to be clear, I mean the ability to compose a text message, select a date and time, and have one of those billions or trillions of transistors in the A15 or probably by that time an A16 bionic chip to be able to just send that message for me. I mean, this will be great. I won't forget to text on my anniversary, my mother's birthday, or to call in sick after my favorite sports team loses. So, every iPhone user can benefit from this. And it doesn't even have to be an iPhone user because iMessage can work on, Mac, iPad, and, even your watch. So the technology kind of, already exists because on Android 12, the Pixel 6 Pro, it can do it. It's nice. Please? Pretty please? I'd really, really like it. Be kind of cool. I mean, you could even start where, Google started, maybe look at the ability how they are able to schedule an email. You might get some inspiration from there. Might get the brains turning, Please. And it would help us help you to be the faithful little loyal users we pay you to be.